I think there's a little bit more challenges because we are in Brazil, so we have just, I don't know, we don't have all the woman power that I've seen in Europe, for example. So there's some positions that they give it to men because they have, I don't know, a little bit more balance that we women have. But I think we are as competent as they are. I have a friend who worked with me. I've met him because of Jay. So he was never my boss, but he always had a word to say to me. So help me to improve and put me back to reality. Yeah, and help me with my exchange. I would give him this prize. The biggest challenge was when I started to be responsible for the, because when I changed my position, it was the same level. So I didn't realize the responsibility that I was be handling. So for me, it was a little bit shocking because I was working with one of the directors of the company. So he gave me like, hello, now you have to do this. And I was by myself. In the other position, I had two people working with me, and then I was by myself. And I didn't have anyone to exchange ideas or just to give me an opinion. I was not looking for approval of anything. I was just looking for an opinion. And that period was between November 2011 and February. I was a little bit, is that that I really want to do with my life? Do I have to keep in the company to, and then I started to motivate myself, and then I carry on with all the things that I have to do. But it was a tough time.